we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Syncdeck wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. The following is highlight features or overview summary, that's include effortless wireless HDMI connectivity. With Syncdeck's cutting-edge 5.8G wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, experience pristine 1080p at 60 Hz video quality in your office, gaming setup, exhibitions, or retail space. Enjoy a clutter-free environment as you mirror or extend displays with unparalleled ease. Simple automatic pair. Wireless HDMI will automatically pair after connecting to the power supply, plug and play. If there is no automatic pairing, just press and hold the transmitter and receiver switch for 5 seconds according to the prompts to automatically pair. No app, no Bluetooth, no router. Immersive 1080p visuals across 130 feet. Your viewing or presentation experience will never falter, thanks to Syncdeck's robust 5.8G wireless HDMI tech that beams content flawlessly up to 130 feet away. Whether you're in a large conference room or a spacious living area, rest assured that your HD experience remains stable and detailed. Portable HD entertainment anytime, anywhere. The Syncdeck wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver ensures that high-quality, wireless display connectivity is always within reach. Playing Xbox, PS4, PS5, and Switch games at 1080p at 60 Hz is stable and smooth, so you don't need to use bulky HDMI cables. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.